Cox Cable Channel 3.
In today's legal affairs segment, if you're like most people, you're probably confused about federal and state health care options, Medicaid and Medicare, AHCCCS and ALTCS. Joining me is our legal contributor, Craig Wisnam, to clear up some of the confusion. First off, what's Medicaid?
Medicaid is a federal program designed for people with a certain minimal amount of income or wealth, so that it only applies to you if it's needs-based. The government cares about how much money you make, and you have to make basically below the poverty level before you're qualified.
And do you have to be a certain age?
No, that applies to everybody no matter what the age.
Medicaid. Okay,
yes.
Now Medicare.
Medicare is the federal health insurance program that is not needs-based, so it doesn't matter how much you earn or how much you own, but it provides basically health insurance for people who are over age 65 or who may have been disabled for 2 years.
Okay. Are Medicaid and Medicare available in Arizona?
Medicare is a federal program that's available everywhere, and so it of course applies to all of us here in Arizona as well. Medicaid is actually, there's a version of it in Arizona which is AHCCCS, AHCCCS.
Arizona Health Care Cost Containment Program.
Yes, something close to that.
Okay.
And so essentially that's Arizona's version of Medicaid.
Okay.
So there's not a separate federal Medicaid program that's available in Arizona. If you qualify for what would be Medicaid, you're on AHCCCS.
Okay, and ALTCS?
ALTCS is a part of AHCCCS, so it's also needs-based, and it's based on not only how much income you earn like AHCCCS, but how many assets you have, and essentially you can't have any assets with some exceptions to qualify for ALTCS. ALTCS is generally the nursing program, so that if you can no longer live at home and you don't have any money, ALTCS is the program that will pay for your long-term residence, your nursing home, long-term care home.
Can you have any assets with ALTCS and still get help from them?
Generally, other than your home and your car and a couple other minor exceptions, no. There's some complexities if you're a husband and wife. The other spouse is allowed to keep a little bit of money, but if you've got more than $2,000 in the bank account, you can't qualify for ALTCS, so that money has to be spent down and used up before you can qualify.
Do they eventually keep your home? I mean, how does that work?
Generally, if you keep your home and you're on ALTCS, when you die, they'll have a lien to get paid back from your home.
Okay.
So it depends how long you're on the program and how much of their money you need.
Yeah, it's just so many different things, and so in Arizona we have Medicare, ALTCS, AHCCCS.
Exactly.
And no Medicaid.
Exactly.
AHCCCS is our Medicaid.
Exactly.
Okay, I think I finally understand that whole
Very
puzzle.
good.
Thanks so much, Craig.
Thank you, Martha.
Big day for the